they won't let me out.
Back loop only. Yikes. Okay. Now, don't forget to do this last chain at the end that we chained to one. So you're also going to crochet through the back loop only. Okay, then you want to chain 2 and turn and then repeat. So back loop only.
Locked up, they won't let me out.
at the end, and then you want to just hold it out. See, once I hold it out like that, it reaches 46 inches. So I don't know if I'm not explaining it well, but this is basically how I measure it. So for the waistband, you just want to continue getting it to the measurements for the waist. So that's 36. So you want to just continue half double crocheting till you reach the length that you want for this waistband.